Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads Exclusive. If you are interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below the video. Just click on Show More and you will see the website. Okay, so let's open this up and see what this month's theme is. It is Bloom Box. That means there's going to be flowers in here, right? There is 25 items, and let's see, are they breaking it down to lots again? I don't think so. Okay, so it's going to be 25 items. Alright, so we have flower beads. These are neat. I have not seen this shape before. I'm going to take this out of the bag and see if it's a two-holer or not. Let's see. Where's the hole? Okay, the hole goes right through the middle there. See that? So it's a one-hole flower bead. It's pretty cool. It's black with a turquoise blue on top, which shows the details. Okay, so we have that. And then we have, looks like candy beads, Preciosa candy. It's a two-hole bead. I think these are 8mm. I have some of these in my stash. And it's like an Aztec gold color, by the way. And then we have leaf beads. These are red with green veins. Those are cool. I've used leaf beads just like this, the same exact ones, but in different colors, in my 3D beaded flowers. I think I did a video called Blossoming Flowers. I have a ton of beaded flower jewelry videos. Beaded flowers are my favorite to make. And now we have some 3mm Czech Teardrops, and I think it's the Aztec gold color again. And here are some flowers. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Okay, so normally when I get flower beads that are like the coin shape with the hole going through the side, they're table cut, but these aren't table cut, and I think that this is what the flower actually looks like before they cut it. And I have to say that it is really pretty, and I don't know what made them think to cut it, because it already looks awesome just the way it is. These are really cute. I love those. The precious. Okay, let's see. Hopefully there's more of these in the box, because I really like those. Okay, and then we have, wow, these are big. This is olivine Czech rondelles. There's 10 in here, looks like. And they're giant. I have not seen Czech rondelles this big. I mean, I have some that are just a little bit smaller than this, but these are gigantic. They're beautiful. Okay, and now I have a pendant. What is on this pendant? Let's see. I have to open this. Oh wow, it's actually a bezel. That's really cute. I love that design. It's fancy. Okay, and now we have some more rondelles. Oh my gosh, they're Picasso. Yeah. They're like, what is this, like 6x4mm rondelles maybe? Picasso, those are gorgeous. I love that color. And then we have more flower beads. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely stunning. I love this color. Those are gorgeous. Let's see. Here, I'll show you that they are the same size, by the way. And these would look great together in a project. Those are really pretty. I love those. And here they are in red. Is this copper on it? Or maybe it's bronze. Those are beautiful. There's only 4 in this bag. The other ones have 6. Here are some Czech Teardrops. This is an amazing color. I wonder what that is. I'm thinking it's a blue Czech Teardrops 6mm. And they have some kind of finish over. I don't know if it's AB. I don't think it's a luster. don't know, it's unusual. It's really pretty though. Okay, and then we have, what is this? This is a cabochon. You know what, this might go in that little pendant. Wonder if everybody gets the same color. Ooh. Thought it was going to be silver because the back's silver. That's pretty. So this is going to go in there. Glue that in there. That's going to be cool. I like that. Okay, I think I will put this cab with that pendant later on, so I know that's for that. Oh my gosh. These are awesome. I forgot what this thing's called. I've gotten these before though. Not this shape. I mean this little, I can't remember the name of it. This little bug looking thing in here. There's also Czech beads that is just that shape. Not the coin shape, but you know what I'm saying? That little bug thingy. I forgot the name of it right now. But I've gotten some beads that is that shape. And they come in a bunch of different colors. They're gorgeous. These are so cool. And you know, I have a ring using an oval shaped table cut bead. And I am wondering if I could make this, you know what, I probably can't. I think I can make this into a ring. I've told you guys about this tutorial. I've done a tutorial a while back. And I've linked in another video to that tutorial because I had an oval shaped bead that was a different design on it, but I am thinking that this would probably work with that design too. So I'm going to try and remember to put the link to that ring tutorial down there below this video, because you can probably use these same beads for that design. You just might have to change your bead counts to make this work, but I think that it will work. Those are cool. Those are really darn cool. And that way you would have 2 rings out of that. Wow, what is this? So this is the same finish that's on these beads, but these are purple. I wonder what that finish is called. It's probably new, because I've never really seen it before. I don't think it's AB, but it is gorgeous. Here are some more leaf beads. There's 4 in there. And, oh my god, turquoise. I love turquoise. Oh, this is awesome. So now you can make 4 rings. They're so cool. I know what that little bug thing's called. I just can't remember right now. This side is really detailed. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. This elastic? Yeah, there's elastic in here so you can make a stretch bracelet. Which I've already seen several pieces that look good together. You can make a bracelet with. These actually look good with those. Yeah, so you can just stay with the beads in the box and make a bracelet, because a lot of these go together. Those kind of look cool with those there. Oh, here are some teardrops, and these, again, will work in my beaded flowers. And there's 6 teardrops in here, so you have enough to make a flower. And I've done flowers where there's 5 petals or 6 petals, so you do have enough to use these in a beaded flower. If you go back through my tutorials, through my pendants and my rings, you'll see the beaded flowers I'm talking about. I have several different videos. And here are some more, and this is a turquoise color. I think it's travertine. Those are cool. And here are some bails. They're not pinch bails, but it is, you just push the one side in and you can snap it onto your charm. And here are some more teardrops. Oh, I love all these colors together. Those are pretty. These are actually large teardrops. It's probably 9 by 6 millimeter. What else do we have? Here are some more rondelles. Are these smaller than the other ones? Yeah. Just by a little bit. I have this size here, but this size here in Czech rondelles I don't really have. Okay, what else? What? So there's this one. I Are these the same? No, they're not. These are more purple. Oh, these are like in between. You can almost make like an ombre piece because it's like dark, medium, and light. That's cool. And here's some more. Oh my gosh, I really love those. It's turquoise with a lavender purple in the details. Those are stunning. And then there's these beads here, which I've never played with before. These are 2-holes. Are these called Paisley Duos? Something like that? I think it would be neat to make a ring out of them. There's not a ton here. So I would probably do some kind of a ring design with them. And it is it matte iris? The color of this, I want to say. It might be matte brown iris. I think that's what this color is called. Alright, so there is a lot of goodies in here. I'm loving the flowers. I'm loving all the unique colors. These colors here are so unique. I haven't really seen those. And I wish that I could remember this. Is it a trilobite? Is that what it's called? I think it might be it. I don't know. I'll Google after I film this video and see. Okay, I went through the list and I figured out what all the beads are, and I'm going to go through them with you guys. So number 1 on the list is Rondelle Beads 11 by 7 millimeter, Rondelle Beads 9 by 6 millimeter, Fire Polish Beads 5 by 3 millimeter, Candy Beads 8 millimeter, Paisley Beads 8 millimeter by 5 millimeter, Czech Glass Beads Small Spacer 3 millimeter, Elastic Thread, Bales 7 millimeter by 3.5 millimeter, Antique Silver Pendant 30 millimeter, Nebula Purple Beads 6 millimeter, Nebula Turquoise Beads 6 millimeter, Nebula Violet Beads 6 millimeter, Coral Red Flower Beads 9 millimeter, Coral Red Leaf Beads 7 by 12 millimeter, Green Leaf Beads 7 millimeter by 12 millimeter, Black Flower Beads 9 millimeter, Blue Flower Beads 9 millimeter, Dark Blue Flower Beads 9 millimeter, Green Luster Teardrop Beads 9 millimeter by 6, Green Blue Teardrop Beads 9 millimeter by 6, Cabochon 10 millimeter, Brown Trilobite Table Cut Beads. The size isn't shown here, but I'm thinking they're probably 12, 14 millimeter maybe. And then there's the turquoise trilobite, and then we have the Picasso brown flower beads 9 millimeter, and the honey white teardrop beads 9 by 6 millimeter. And remember, I will have a link for the subscription box down there below the video so you can go and check out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook, and don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.